Hello, I am Emma Olatunji, and this is going to be part 2 of the video where I gave you 3 ways to secure your money and your data online. 3 ways to secure your money, to protect your money and your data online. When I say your data, I mean your information, how to protect your card, your information, your data, your information and your money online. How do I secure my money and my data online? Of course, I've given you 3 ways to do that. So, and there are different ways to to protect your money and your data online. That's why I'm dropping this video to to let you know, to let you see other ways to secure your money and your data online. So to secure your money and your data online means you must be careful of that website you are buying from, Take for example that e-commerce website you are buying from. You must be very careful for you to secure your money and your data online. If you are buying on a particular website and that website is asking for your ATM card, one of the things you have to check for is what we call HTTPS, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and the padlock. HTTPS and padlock is at the left hander. Is at the upper left hand corner like this. You're going to see the HTTPS there, very near to where you enter your URL. So you'll be sure maybe you can go ahead with that. You can go ahead with that your transaction. You can go ahead maybe to buy or not to buy. So you might want to check for HTTPS, check for padlock, and you can now be sure maybe you are going to still buy on that website. Some sites may have padlock without having HTTPS, they are not secured, and some sites may have HTTPS without so sites may have HTTPS without having padlock, they are not secure. So they are not secure. Another thing you need to do is that you go to dynadots.com. On dynadots.com, you take the name of the website or the name of the domain you are buying from. You type it on the dynadots.com. Dynadots.com is spelled DYNADOT.com. Dynadots.com. I'm going to drop the link below after this video. You just check out for that link after this video. You're going to see it below this video. So I'm going to drop the link of that website, dynadots.com. You go to dynadots.com, type the name of the website or the domain name, and you're going to see 3 things: website, who is, offer. You just type on who is. So who is will tell you maybe the website or the domain name has been registered or not. It's going to tell you the name of the owner of the website. It's going to tell you the date they bought the website. It's going to tell you. It's going to the phone number of the owner of the website, and practical details behind the owner of the website. So you'll be sure you're gonna know maybe you still need to go ahead to buy on that website when you go to dynadots.com. So to secure your money and your data online, you need to check for HTTPS on that website. You need to check for padlock. You need to go to dynadots.com. Dynadots.com will tell you everything about that about the owner of the website and about the website. And one thing to understand too is that on dynadots.com, who is will tell you when website will be expiring, when the domain will be expiring, you will be able to know. Maybe you need, like take for example, on that e-commerce website that you want to buy from, when the website is expiring very soon, you'll be able to know maybe you should go ahead with your buying or not. So you should be on that dynadot.com, you will see the expiring date of that website. That's another way to secure your card, to secure your money and your data online. So having said that, now another way to secure your money and your data online is by you not using your primary ATM card to do any transaction, to buy anything online. Make sure you do not use your ATM card to do transaction. Make sure you have another ATM card where you can wire your money to, where you can transfer your money into and do transaction online. And another way to go about that is by you opening account with PayPal. You go to PayPal, all you need to do is just for you to go to PayPal, open account with PayPal, link your ATM card to PayPal account. PayPal will never reveal your secret, never reveal your card, will never reveal your card to any website you are buying from. So PayPal is secure enough for you to buy whatever you want to buy online, for you to buy whatever you want to buy online. You know, there are a lot of websites that are secure enough to buy, and there are a lot of, we have so many common websites you can buy from. You can buy from, if you are in Nigeria, you can buy from Jumia, you can buy from Konga. If you are outside the country, you can buy from Amazon, you can buy from eBay. They are secure enough. But one of those websites you don't know anything about, so you need to do all these things that are mentioned. You need to check for HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol secure. You need to check for padlock. You need to go to dynadot.com and do not use your primary card. And you need to go, open account with your PayPal. Use PayPal to do your transaction, and that is all about how to secure your money and your ATM card. So you can, through that, you can secure your money, your data, your ATM card. So on this note, I will be closing, and I say thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Packaging 14, Packaging 14. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Packaging 14. So till I come your way next, I say remain financially intelligent, and I say bye for this moment. Thank you.